Welcome to Weeds That Feed. Grow This Instead, where we look at some ornamental plants that might be growing right now, and this week we're looking at hazel and why hazel would be, if we're trying to support wildlife in our gardens, a way better choice for a plant of interest right now in the garden as opposed to some of the other ornamentals that we choose. So let's have a think. Right now we got a Garrya elliptica, the silk tassel bush. That obviously is grown ornamentally for its catkins. Well, hazel has beautiful catkins on it. And I should start by saying hazel supports 250 insects. That's 249 phytophagous insects, so larval and other plant-eating insects, made up of 2 butterflies, 82 moths, and 165 other phytophagous insects. And just one recorded pollinator. I think there are more, but recorded is one parasitic moth. Just starting to rain here, so I better be quick. So silk tassel bush was imported from North America in the early to mid 19th century in the sort of plant hunting boom, and that doesn't support any insects whatsoever. Well, recorded support any insects, certainly a bit much less than hazel, because it didn't evolve with the insects here, and phytophagous insects especially have developed over many years, thousands of years, to have defenses against the plant chemical compounds, so they can metabolize them. Next, what have we got? Aucuba japonica. No guesses where that's from. That's been here since the sort of mid 18th century, and that's grown for its yellow spots on its sort of glossy green leaves. And that supports a couple of scale insects, phytophagous scale insects, and as a pollinator for honeybee. Honeybee uses almost anything to get its nectar and pollen. And finally, what else have people planted ornamentally in the garden? Right now, something like maybe Photinia Red Robin. That's a hybrid from 2 other photinias, one from Japan and one from China. That was introduced in the sort of mid 20th century, pretty recent that one. And again, that has no recorded insects. So watch back by all means the part 1, a pantry for wildlife, where I talk a little bit more about the insects that hazel supports. But hazel supporting 250 insects. And then, of course, many other creatures. For instance, the standout one would be a hazel dormouse, which is a vulnerable animal. So, thanks very much for watching this, and I'll see you next week with another plant. And, well, I hate to say this, but please do subscribe if you can, because it does push this out a little bit further. And the more people know about the work that insects do to support our wildlife, the better. So thanks very much. Bye for now.